Today we're gonna do bread pudding. Yes. So first we need it will be like this.